Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Experts. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a watermark to all of your YouTube videos. A watermark helps protect your content and makes it easier for viewers to subscribe to your channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 2. Go to Customization. Scroll down and click on Customization. At the top of the page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Branding tab. This section allows you to customize your channel branding, including your video watermark. Step 3. Upload your watermark. Scroll down to the Video Watermark section. Click Upload and select the image you want to use as your watermark. For best results, use a transparent PNG image with your logo or channel icon. Don't forget to follow the YouTube watermark recommendation for better results. An image that's 150 x 150 pixels is recommended. Use a PNG, GIF, no animations, BMP or JPEG file that's 1 MB or less. Here, I have my own Digital Experts watermark ready for upload. Go to your file location and upload your watermark. After uploading, you can preview how the watermark will appear on your videos. Step 4. Choose display time. Now select when you want the watermark to appear. End of video shows only during the last few seconds. Custom start time allows you to choose exactly when it appears. Entire video displays throughout the whole video. I recommend selecting entire videos so viewers can easily subscribe at any time. Step 5. Publish changes. Once you're happy with your watermark settings, click Publish in the top right corner. YouTube will now automatically add your watermark to all eligible videos on your channel. And that's it. You've successfully added a watermark to your YouTube videos. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Digital Experts, and turn on notifications for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.